Imagine staring at your overflowing inbox, another Monday morning dread settling in. You're trapped in the grind, dreaming of financial freedom, but every online guru promises feel like empty echoes. Why does it feel like everyone else is unlocking new income streams except you? What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could build an AI as a service agency generating $5,000 a month, starting with almost no capital? This isn't a fantasy, it's a blueprint I followed, and you can too. Watch until the end to discover the contrarian mindset that makes it all possible. The agency world is undergoing a silent, profound revolution. The old model, bloated teams, endless meetings, razor-thin margins, is dying a slow, painful death. This isn't just an evolution, it's a complete reimagining of value creation. On one side, you have the old guard, massive 300-page business plans, teams of 50, complex organizational charts, all for a mere 20% profit margin. It's slow, expensive, and frankly, exhausting. On the other, the new wave solo founders or small agile teams, simple workflows, and an almost unbelievable 85% profit margin. This is the power of AI-driven efficiency. The shift is from human-intensive to AI-augmented services. Think beyond simple chatbots. We're talking about AI that can act as a project manager, researcher, or even a copywriter. Businesses desperately need this. They face pressures to optimize processes, reduce costs, and innovate faster than ever before. Traditional agencies can't keep up. This creates an enormous demand for agile AI solutions, and you, armed with the right blueprint, can step in to fill that void, often with minimal overhead. Businesses are clamoring for these efficiencies. Automated customer support, automated content creation, or predictive analytics. Businesses are clamoring for these efficiencies. The opportunity isn't just about selling AI tools. It's about taking in-demand services that businesses already buy and fulfilling them with AI and automation. This means you don't need to be a coding genius or a tech expert. You need to understand business problems and how AI can solve them more effectively. The barrier to entry is lower than you think. Many successful AI agency owners started with less than $100 and no prior experience. My journey started similarly. Frustrated by the traditional paths, I saw AI not just as a tool, but as a lever to create disproportionate value. This is your chance to do the same. This isn't about becoming a tech titan. It's about leveraging existing, powerful AI capabilities to serve real business needs and capture significant profit. The time is now. Many aspiring entrepreneurs fall prey to the Silicon Valley model myth: burn cash, capture market share at all costs, and hope for future profitability. This model often prioritizes rapid growth over immediate profit, relying on endless funding rounds. It's a high-stakes gamble most small businesses cannot afford. In this world, a high burn rate isn't just accepted, it's often celebrated as a sign of aggressive scaling. But it's a dangerous game. Venture capitalists might push you to move faster and spend more, but this often leads to startups running out of money, a fate 29% of them face. The alternative? A fundamentals-first approach. Focus on profit from day one, building an unkillable business that funds its own growth. This is the blueprint for stability. The key principle here is simple: acquire customers who can pay for their own cost of acquisition within 30 days. This isn't just smart, it's essential. This metric, the customer acquisition cost, CAC, payback period, measures how long it takes to recover your investment in a new customer. A short CAC payback period, ideally under 3 months for fast growth, signals strong cash flow and allows for rapid reinvestment. For an AI as a service agency, this means offering high-value solutions that deliver measurable ROI to clients almost immediately. Think about what a $5,000 solution needs to provide. If your AI agent saves a client 50 hours of manual work at $50 an hour, that's $2,500 in savings. If it books 5 new clients generating $1,000 each, that's $5,000 in new revenue. The client's return on investment becomes undeniable. Your $5,000 monthly retainer isn't an expense, it's the single best investment they've made. This model creates a self-sustaining loop who see immediate value, leading to referrals and consistent recurring revenue for your agency. It contrasts sharply with the grow at all costs mentality, which often leaves founders chasing the next funding round instead of building real value. By focusing on a swift CAC payback, you build a resilient business less vulnerable to market fluctuations or investor whims. This is true financial intelligence. This strategy isn't about being small, it's about being smart and sustainable. It allows you to scale efficiently without the constant pressure of external capital. Now, let's break down the exact 3-phase blueprint to launch your $5,000 month AI agency in just 30 days, even if you're starting from scratch with no-code tools. Build your AI engine. This is about laying the foundation and assembling your low-cost tech stack. You can get this done in less than 30 days. Your starting tech stack can cost as little as $50 to $150 a month. Tools like VoiceFlow for building AI brains with drag-and-drop interfaces are game changers. You'll also need automation platforms like Make.com or Zapier. These connect your AI tools and automate workflows, making your services incredibly powerful. The first AI agent you build should solve a specific, high-value problem. Think lead qualification, personalized customer support, or automated content generation. Land your first client. This is often the biggest hurdle, but with the right strategy, it becomes significantly easier. Forget cold calls and generic emails. Instead, use the 3-sentence strategy and the $500 pilot program. You're not going for a big retainer up front. You're offering an undeniable, low-risk entry point. Approach a business with a clear problem you can solve. Your pitch? A $500 pilot program with an absurdly bold guarantee. If this doesn't save your team 5 hours of manual work in the first week, you get your money back, no questions asked. For them, $500 is a rounding error. For you, it's a paid case study and your foot in the door. This instantly builds trust and demonstrates tangible value before they commit to a larger sum. Focus on niches where the cost of a missed lead or inefficient process is high, like real estate, law firms, or automotive repair. Their pain points are obvious. This pilot program quickly generates your first success story, which you can then leverage to attract more clients at a higher retainer. This is how you build momentum. Phase 3, scaling and protecting your 85% profit margin. This is where most amateur agencies fail. Running AI in a live environment can incur massive, unpredictable costs. The hidden trapdoor is unexpected API usage or compute costs. If not managed, these can quickly erode your profit margins and even bankrupt your agency. The professional solution is incredibly simple. Pass-through utility billing. Put it in your contract that the client pays for raw compute costs directly. These API usage charges are billed straight to their credit card, just like their electricity bill. Your $5,000 retainer is purely for your management, strategy, and expertise. This single switch protects your high profit margins and ensures your agency remains incredibly lean and profitable, regardless of AI usage fluctuations. Beyond the tactics, the real secret to building a thriving AI agency and any successful venture lies in an unshakable mindset. This is where most people falter. Entrepreneurship is a relentless test of mental fortitude. You will face rejection, setbacks, and moments of profound self-doubt. It's inevitable. To navigate this, we need to embrace a concept I call cosmic irrelevance. It's a radical perspective, but incredibly liberating. In the grand scheme of the universe, our individual struggles and even our biggest failures are, quite literally, meaningless. The cosmos does not give a flying fuck about your anxieties. This isn't depressing, it's a profound relief. It frees you from the crushing weight of perceived expectations and the need for external validation. Once you internalize your cosmic insignificance, the fear of failure diminishes. What's the worst that can happen? The universe will still spin. This perspective allows you to act with bold abandon, to experiment without paralyzing fear, and to bounce back from setbacks with remarkable speed. It's about detaching from immediate thoughts and feelings, remembering our small place in the vastness of space and time. Cosmic insignificance therapy is an antidote to the narrow, self-centered perspective that makes us take ourselves too seriously. Alongside this, cultivate mental toughness, fortitude, and resilience, three distinct yet interconnected skills crucial for entrepreneurs. Mental toughness you can take before your behavior changes. It's about having a long fuse under pressure. The intensity of your behavioral change when you do snap. How deep do you go into despair, and how quickly do you pull yourself out? Resilience, how quickly you return to your baseline after a setback. The speed of your bounce back is paramount. Train these skills daily. Practice stress management. Develop a growth mindset, and build a strong support system. This is your psychological armor. Without this mental framework, even the best blueprint will crumble under the weight of entrepreneurial reality. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Cosmic irrelevance with mental toughness, and you create an internal system that allows you to pursue audacious goals without internal friction. Let's condense this into an actionable 30-day roadmap. Day 1 to 7, research your niche. Identify businesses with clear, high-value problems that AI can solve. Think local service businesses. Day 8 to 14, build your first AI agent. Use no-code tools like VoiceFlow and Make.com. Focus on a single, impactful solution for your chosen niche. This is your minimum viable product. Day 15-21, craft your irresistible $500 pilot offer. Guarantee a measurable result, like 5 hours saved or 3 qualified leads generated in the first week. Make it a no-brainer. Day 22 to 26, outreach. Use the 3-sentence strategy. Identify 20 potential clients daily and send personalized messages. Focus on solving their pain, not selling a service. Day 27-30, close your first pilot client. Deliver on your guarantee. Get that testimonial. This success story is gold, opening doors to your $5,000 per month retainers. Remember, the goal is to get that first paid case study. Once you have it, scaling becomes infinitely easier. You have proof of concept and tangible ROI. Then, implement pass-through utility billing immediately for your larger retainers. Protect those 85% profit margins from day one. This isn't just about building an AI agency. It's about building a profitable, sustainable business on your own terms. It's about freedom. The opportunity to leverage AI for income is unprecedented. Don't let fear or conventional wisdom hold you back from this quiet revolution. Embrace cosmic irrelevance, cultivate fortitude, and follow this blueprint. Your $5,000 per month AI agency is not a dream, it's a highly achievable reality. Start today. The tools are available, the demand is immense, and the blueprint is clear. Will you be part of the new wave, or will you stay in the old? If this video opened your eyes to the true potential of AI as a service, hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. And for more blueprints on building profitable online income streams, make sure to subscribe. Your future self will thank you for taking action now.